machine. We are ready to testing the peeling machine. Okay, now peeling machine open. You can see it starts working now. And you can see here there are two motors. You connect 3 phases on each motor, and then switch off, then the peeling starts working. You can put cassava inside. And here you can add pipe water, and then switch on. And then after you add the pipe water, there has the water out from here. Then you can peeling and cleaning at the same time. Here is the output. When the cassava input and then with the screw will transport to the output from here. Cassava will output from here. And then if you want to adjust the screw speed, you can move here. You can move here to control the screw rotary speed. Like this.